Hi, my name is Bobby Thomas, software engineer by profession, residing in Bangalore right now. Recently, I had to organize one shuttle badminton tournament, and normally for tournaments we used to get 200 plus entries for singles alone, and like that, men's doubles, mixed doubles, and women's singles and doubles. We used to get so many entries, and it always used to be a hectic job drawing the complete schedule in an Excel file. So I thought, okay, why not create a tool which can automate the complete process, which can create the schedule automatically from a list of players. And the result of this thought is Bob's Knockout Scheduler. Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial introduction on this tool on how. Okay, let's get started. If you have organized any tournament, the first thing is you have to collect all the entries for the tournament. You normally, what I used to do is we used to send out some spreadsheet or something where people can enter their names, and then later on, once you have the entries closed, collect all the names and enter into the tool. Now this most of the time I found troublesome because you have to type in so many entries. So what I have done is I have given an option to import a text file containing all the player entries. So for this tutorial, what I would like to do is to create a list of 14 players. Okay, a small list of 14 players. What you need to do is create a text file and keep one team or player name in one line. If you give long lines or lines with spaces in the beginning, it will be truncated. Spaces in the beginning will be removed, and the total length is truncated up to maximum of 36 characters. Okay, now you can use the create schedule option. Let's browse to the text file. I have kept it in the temp folder, and just quickly point to the text file here. Okay, now you need to specify a schedule file name. I would like to keep it as schedule 14.xml. You can give any extension for this file, but I would like to keep an XML extension because this is an XML file. Here we go. Now a schedule is created and is saved as an XML file in the disk. Now what you see in the screen is a graphical representation of the schedule. As you can see, we can't fit in if there are say so many number of players, say 60 or 100 or 200, you can't fit all the schedule into single page. So what I have done is I have there's an option to view it in different pages, and you can switch to any page using this drop down menu. As you can see here, the page 3 here represents all the rounds, and the match number 13 for us is the final match. Okay, I would like to explain how the graphical representation is. Square box indicate player name and score if there was a previous match. Say for example, the score in this square box indicate the result of match number 2, and the number inside the circle represent the match number. As you can see here, these were the buys. Okay, 2 guys would have got buy because there were 14 players, and to reduce to 8, that's the quarterfinals, we need to give buys for the 2 players, and remaining 6 matches, that's the first round, and then 4 quarterfinals, 2 semifinals and 1 final. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 comes to 13. Okay, now once you have created the schedule, before sending it out or publish the schedule, what you would like to do is you'd like to add date and time for the matches. Okay, let me schedule this match for the next weekend. Give a time, specify a time. I would like to schedule it at 10 AM and save it. Quickly we'll do for the match 2 also. Keep the same date, and since you have already a match at 10, I would like to schedule for 10:30. Okay, now quickly view the schedule here using the display option. Here you can see the match number 1 is scheduled on 28/6/2008 and at time 10 AM. Okay, now imagine, okay, after some days, okay, you have all your preliminary rounds are over and you would like to update the result. Here the match number 2 was between 2 and 11, I would like to keep 2 as the winner and say score 6260. Okay, let's save it. And match number 1 between 10 and 7, I would like to keep 10 as a winner and score 6064. Okay, let's quickly view the display. Okay, here you can see the scores are getting updated here. Okay, and the match number 8 is going to be between 2 and 10, and we have not yet scheduled. Okay, now at any point of time, okay, if you want to, for publishing or sending out schedule to the players, you have 2 options available. One is save as PDF and second one save as image. Now the option save as PDF is more like a printer friendly format. Here in this schedule we have 3 pages. If you save it as PDF, okay, let's quickly try that. What you will get is, you will get 3 pages which are properly organized for getting it printed appropriately. Okay, I would like to give a name of my open. You don't need to give an extension for this file because the page number. Okay, let's quickly see what is created. Okay, you can see 1, 2 and 3 pages created. Let's quickly page number 3. As you can see, a PDF file is generated with all the results and all the times whatever we have updated in the schedule. Okay, now let's quickly see the second options, save as an image. I would like to give the same name, myopen.jpg. Okay, okay, it's saved. You can see here, here the complete schedule is saved as a single image. You can see right from match number 1 to 13, it's all inside a single image. Okay, you can easily navigate, view whatever you want, you would like to. Okay, this format is best suited for viewing in PC because you don't, if you have say 64 players, you will have number of pages, more than 10 pages for the complete schedule. You can view, open each and every PDF and view it on your machine. So this gives a much better view for viewing it in PC. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's quickly see what are the remaining options available for us. Okay, the edit options you have seen. Okay, all these options you have seen. Okay, at any time, if you are in any other view, you can quickly switch to the display view by using the option schedule display. And finally, exit. Okay, thank you very much for your time. That's all I have for you today. See you later. This project would not have been possible without 2 open source projects, both coming from none other than Apache. I am referring to the projects. Number 1, Apache Batic, which is used for graphics, SVG graphics, and the second one is Apache Salan, which I have used for XML processing. And both these are quality softwares which you can try out for your application. Okay.